maraming salamat po for supporting Once a Princess from Skylight and Regal Films. From the one and only po, Direk Clarice Guillen. Please support us on August 6. Yun na po, thank you.
Thank you, Kren. And of course, Miss Angel.
Maraming salamat. Kailangan ko lang siguro baka you'd like to know that Precious Hearts is offering a lot of promotions for the film. There will be movie dates with Precious writers happening all over the Philippines from Davao to Iloilo, wherein audiences can watch together with their favorite Precious Hearts writers.
Wow, talaga?
Ipopost po yung schedule ng mga writers in Facebook sa Precious pages.
Mag-date with the writers.
Date with the writers. So like, writers in Pampanga gather together, they call on all their fans to watch. Full support talaga yung Precious Hearts sa palabas na to. On August 6 to 10, all ticket buyers of the movie Once a Princess will get 40% discount on all Precious Pages stores. So that's gonna happen from the opening date until that weekend. So we really hope for the success of this film being the first venture of Precious Hearts romance into movies.
Thank
you so much.
Miss Angel. Sir Enrico, please.
Thank you sa Precious Hearts at thank you sa Regal Films dahil co-producer namin to.
Yes, after
JC,
Pagpag, ito naman, di ba?
Regal, yes, si Mother, hindi lang nakapunta ngayon. May family affair daw, so sa screening na lang natin direct.
Tama.
So August 6 po, under direct Luis Guillen and an excellent cast of Enchong, Erich, and JC, Once a Princess.
Thank you, Sir Enrico. Direct Clarice Guillen.
Thank you so much for being here. At maraming salamat sa suporta ninyo. It feels so good that after a long time, I'm directing again and you're here to support it. So let's see you in the theaters and spread the word. Enjoy yourselves. Enjoy the movie. Thank you.
Jason De Vera.
Maraming salamat po sa lahat po na nagpunta dito kahit na po alam natin malakas po yung ulan. So sana po nakikiusap po kami, sana po supportahan niyo po kami sa pelikulang to. And sana po mag-enjoy kayo. Yan. See you on August 6.
And Chang D!
Thank you sa mga dumating.
Sa mga barangay na hamon.
And andito naman po kami na humihingi ng tulong sa inyo na sana po maisulat niyo po ng maganda yung habang hindi pa pinapalabas at kapag napanood niyo na po ang Once a Princess starting August 6. And malaking bagay po ang maisulat niyo kami, kaya po salamat at service.
And a lady who will always be a princess, Erich!
Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta ninyo, sa oras po ninyo. At ito pong Once a Princess ay pelikula na puno ng puso at katotohanan na pagdating sa pag-ibig, sino ba tayo para manghusga? At yun, sana po magustuhan ninyo dahil para po sa inyong lahat ito. At lahat ng characters po, kahit yung mga kaibigan dito sa movie, makaka-relate po kayo. Ngayong August 6 na po in cinemas nationwide.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Erich. Once a Princess, August 6 from Sky.